Hedera, currently trading at 30 cents, guys, with a market cap of $5.4 billion. Currently ranked 34 on the list with a ticker of HBAR. But before trading or even get into this cryptocurrency, what is Hedera? Hedera is the most used sustainable enterprise-grade public networks for a decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It's designed to be more fair, more efficient system and that eliminates some of the limitations that older blockchain-based platforms face. It uses a hash graph, which is different than blockchain. There's other platforms, like in other videos, talk about that. I'm not going into that much detail, but let's see what markets they are on. You can trade or hodl this. They're in Binance, KuCoin, BitIO, Bittrex, let's see, Huobi Global, OKX. So there are multiple exchanges. Oh, Crypto.com exchange. There are multiple exchanges, so you can trade and hodl this, guys. Now, the ratings are doing really good. Symmetry, C+, and they got a double B from Positive Outlook. Now, look at this span of all the cryptocurrencies when they get their ratings. And look where they are at. In the upper 90% for this company here. That, to me, even with a C+ over here, that is absolutely amazing, because having a price rating, having multiple companies look at it, it makes it more reassuring. It's not a meme coin. You don't just jump into something. So it has price ratings. There's other companies that looked into it, so there's more validity into it. But let's get into that news, guys, and some of their websites and updates. So here's their main website. And now the website, I want to show you a couple things on here that I actually liked. All right, let's get to this part. So if you're looking at what their cost is, now when I was going through what their settlement fees will be, it's less than 1 US penny. So their fees are very, very cheap. And it talks about that in a little bit of detail on this page. Also, when it comes to their public ledger and their trust and their public trust, how is it different? Why is it better? So there's some things you want to see that's a little bit different. Just basically some information for you guys. Now, when it comes to gaming on Hedera, I believe that they're adding some more adding gaming on here. So that's actually pretty cool. If you guys don't like gaming with this, to me, that's pretty interesting. I don't play much games online anymore, but if you guys do, maybe it's something you want to contact them about or get into something yourself. So try that out. Here's their Twitter page, guys. So almost 200,000 followers. Now, this is where you get a lot of the price updates and stuff, guys. So once again, follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk a lot of politics, trading, and business on my page, and I don't do so much on this YouTube channel. So hit me up there, follow me, and let's get to that price rating, guys. Price prediction. So for this price prediction, guys, if you looked at my last one, I wanted it to go higher, but it did not. A lot of cryptocurrency, especially in 2021 in December, we got crushed. But that can be good opportunity for some, and some might get beat up for it. Now, when it comes to HBAR or Hedera, it has dropped a huge amount, almost near 50% from here, and then is bouncing up. Now, will it maintain this price to bounce up higher? I have no idea. But let's protect ourselves. I want to protect myself and making a strategy into getting into it. So if we look at these big, massive wicks up here, guys, let me make it a little bit bigger. We can see that it definitely has some massive buying pressure right here and here and through all this. And obviously do right here that people are taking off profits. That's fine. That's what you want to do. Take profits. Have a plan for entering a trade, managing the trade, and exiting the trade. It seems like a lot of people exited their trade right here, and that established them some profits, and it seems like they might be re-entering. This is, to me, is a good point to wait. Sit on your hands. Don't do anything. For me, that's what I'm going to do, not do anything. I'm going to wait it out, because we're currently priced at 30 cents, guys, for this resistance level right here, and kind of this support level here and this resistance. So basically, it can head back down here, which is about almost 7 cents cheaper, which is with the 24 cents down to 22 cents, so 22 to 24 cents level down here. If it goes that low, I just want to protect myself. So for me, since I was incorrect on the last price prediction, what I want to do is wait and do price alerts. Because my overall price prediction, where I would love for it to go, where I would, if it did go, it would make drastic changes, because you'd be able to get in and your account would go up because it's a huge move. You're talking almost going up, not near double, maybe like 40%, 50% higher. So it's pretty big. It's a pretty big jump. So anyone trading or hodling this will have that experience also in their accounts if it did something like that. So for me, planning it out, because I like HBAR, like Hedera is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, I'm going to wait this out. If it goes up to these highs, I'm going to place a price alert up here. And if it continues down lower, place a price alert down here. Now, if you're trading this will be very interesting, because if you're trading it, I think this is too volatile to getting into. But hodling, these would be two good points for hodling. The 30 cents zone and the 23 cents. So if I'm going to be entering on a hodl position where I'm not going on leverage, I'm not getting margin called, I don't have to worry about taking a loan out to take this trade. I'm just buying with cash, putting it in, and that's it. If I lose, I lose my money, nothing else. So entering here off the market is a good place, or waiting here for a buy limit down there. But for me, those two entries, I want to wait it out and just do price alerts. Price alert at the current price of 30 cents. I'm going to put it halfway down to 25 cents, and then 23 cents in this zone. It's basically 22 cents, 24 cents. Wait this trade out. Not always jumping in the market, it gets you in the trade and expect huge results. That can be like detrimental to the account. Because if you're always jumping in, and you're not waiting for the structure, the market to break out, then this can kill your account. So patience. That's what I'm doing. Patience. I'm going to be waiting this one out and doing price alerts. The price prediction is 50 cents. I'm just waiting for, let's see, not 50 cents. Price prediction is, say, 45 cents. So the price prediction is 45 cents. Just this top zone up here. Wait this trade out, place price alerts, and if it goes down lower, then I can make a plan about doing a buy limit or buy stop us a little bit up here, and getting into that trade that way. So I can limit my risk. I don't have to take a 7 or 8 cents haircut, because if it goes down lower, then it gets even worse. And then if it bounces down to this zone, I want to wait it out a little bit with my price alerts. And then if it goes higher, enter in market, and then trade. I can make an updated video based on the plan. So basically, if it hits it like this, move my stop loss above my entry. If it takes it higher, if it doesn't, then I take a 1-2% haircut off of my account. So that's my plan, guys. If you have any questions or comments on that, please drop them below. We can have this conversation about my price prediction. But let's get to my website, guys. Andre J. McClendon here. I talk about trading, investing, and go over a lot of different things when it comes to indicators. If you want to learn more about trading and stuff, please contact me. We can go down that rabbit hole. Or if you guys want to look at my trading course, look at that on the sign in, join, or get started today. But guys, if you want to learn more about gold and silver, top two, that's top middle. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.